Hello, Mini Kit Monday friends. So for May 2020, I wanted to do page kits again because I'm loving page kits right now. So what I thought I would show you is a few pieces of a collection I'm using by Cartabella. I love this one. This is all from Family Night, which is very game based. So first I'm going to use this one. It's called Making Memories, and I love this bricky red kind of geometric repeating vibe. The back side is this really fun one where families are doing all kinds of activities. But for my purposes right now, I'm looking at this side. The next side is very cosmic. It's called Photo Slides for very good reasons. All kinds of photo slides on this side, but I am still feeling this side. And then finally, I adore this paper right here for Family Night. It is called Faces. So it's got this really great, all kinds of old, young, different skin tones, that kind of thing. So great amount of family kind of faces and all that kind of stuff right here. And they're all looking at each other every which way. The back side has tons and tons of words, which I wish I had two of these because I would like to have two. And also, all three of these pieces of paper have that fab Cartabella texture. You know what I'm talking about. Now, I do have the full sticker sheet, but I'm not planning on using the full sticker sheet, at least for the page kit that I have in mind for this one. I am looking at maybe these banner pieces. I like best friends, all that kind of things for the page kit because I already know the photos I'm going to use, and I'll show you those in a moment. The next thing I'll do is show you my alphas. Now I'm bringing in these gold alphas, and the reason why is I wanted to do a long title on this first layout that I'm going to do. So I knew I'd have enough letters here because I hadn't used any of them yet. And then these are the same exact font, same exact set. I picked them up at Tuesday morning. Let's see when I picked them up. Oh, in May of 19. So those were my alphas. Awesome. Easy peasy. And then I also happen to have the the enamel dots that go with this collection. So I know I want to use that. And then finally, because I know I'm going to use all those gold letters, I'm bringing in my Jen Hadfield homemade gold glitter mist. And it is awesome. Love this stuff. I've been using it constantly. Now, you know, I can bring in rub-on still. I can bring in scraps, whatever I need, but that's what I know I'm going to do so far. So let me get the next kit together. Shoot, I didn't show you guys. There's two photos I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one right here, and that is the word "our." It says, "The most effective way to fight alongside our brave healthcare workers is staying home." And this is my daughter's volleyball team, all the members on the team as of spring 2020. And how awesome is that? I really liked that and all that kind of stuff. So, and I have a more, bigger close-up of my daughter who's right there. So when I saw this, I was like, I have to do a page kit for that. So I am going to move on to the next page kit. Hi friends, welcome back to Mini Kit Monday. I'm showing you my kit for week number 2. So I am using the Cartabella Family Night again because I had enough to get a whole nother layout out of it. But I am bringing in 2 pieces of navy textured cardstock. I believe it's basil. I have the Family Night in Game On, which is just a mid-tone blue on blue. And this side has the Game of Life. My next sheet is the 3x4 journaling cards with a bunch of dice, as well as, look at that, 3x4 journaling cards, which is great. This piece right here, which is just a gorgeous aqua on aqua, is Family Fun Night. I am so feeling that one. And this is the other side that has all kinds of different icons. I still have a good amount of the stickers that are left. That's a little bit of a glare. Of the stickers that are left, so I'm going to see how I can work these in. These look really fun. I'm going to bring back these enamel dots. And I still have these 2 sets of stickers from my first kit. I'm gonna bring them back for my second kit. All right, that's it. And now we're gonna get scrapping. Hi friends, so this is my last page kit that I'm gonna show you for Mini Kit Monday. I am going to be working with Cherry on top for this one. And these are awesome. Like, you can use these papers for, you know, ice cream parlors and all of that, but you can also use them for other things. So this one right here is called All the Yum. It's this really cool kind of groovy late 60s vibe, early 70s. But then this side has all kinds of ice cream words, like salted caramel, cherry, peanut butter, all that kind of stuff. I like this side for right now, but we'll see what happens when I'm crafting. Then the next one is the Cherry Cut Apart. This is a gorgeous coral with itty bitty little tiny white dots, and then a cut apart sheet with clearly all kinds of ice cream kind of things. The next one I want to use is called Sweet Floral because, quite frankly, it's a really sweet floral. And the back side is a white and coral stripe, so super usable paper. Now the alphas I'm going to bring in, I used these on my previous, or I had these in my previous 2 kits as well. I'm gonna bring this in. They are thickers, they're called Together, and I just picked them up at Tuesday morning. I've got some chipboard pieces here. I have some floral as well as hearts. These are also from the Cherry on Top collection, and the word that says sweet. I'm gonna try to get that built into my title. Got a row of, they're like puffy dots, not enamel dots. They're kind of cool because you can get a little squish on them in this really nice bright blue. And then finally I have some die cuts, and I really liked these. Now who knows how many I'm going to be able to get onto this layout, but I will definitely see what kind of traction I can get to go with these tags. I have a little twine. I have this, a little butterfly. I've got Living the Sweet Life, and then I have all kinds of little numbers. So this is what I have to finish off my kits this month, and I'm going to get crafting. So here we go.